YouTube, it's your girl Pretty Righteous, and welcome back to yet another video. I know it's been a while, probably like a couple of months since I posted my last video. I'm trying to work through all that, y'all. I got like the worst procrastination problem and just work life itself. But yeah, as y'all know, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, all that other good stuff just passed. So if you're anything like me, I was on the hunt for some hair. You know, I got a few other things here and there, but I got the free part, what's it called? Brooklyn style wig by Sensational. And this is a stock card. So yeah, that's Brooklyn. I got her in a number 1. And I'm not sure the inches, how long it is. It didn't say. But anyway, it's like a water wave type texture. So I thought that was kind of different from what I usually get. So I wanted to try that out. And what made me jump onto Sam's Beauty website for Black Friday, if y'all are familiar with Sam's Beauty, y'all know that their shipping is like $15 damn. So for their Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or whatever it was, they were doing $1 shipping. Flat rate shipping was just $1.99, I believe. So I jumped on it, and this wig is normally priced $40, but I got it that day for $21.99 plus the $1.99 shipping. So I think I hit a lick. So here we go. I'm now taking it out, and it's red. I'm really trying to look and see what's the length on this, because it doesn't say. Nope. I mean, maybe I'm overlooking it because I'm clumsy as hell. I think I'm dyslexic too, but that's another story for another day. But I really don't see any inches on this packaging, so I don't know how long it is. If I do find it, matter of fact, I'll just link the whole thing down below in the description. As usual, y'all know I got y'all. So maybe if you click on the link and go back to the website, you'll find those inches. Okay, y'all, so up close again, here's a stock card. So that's her. She has the three-way shipping pardon. So yeah, that is Brooklyn. Again, it was $21.99 on sale. But I just checked the website earlier before I started this video, and I think the pricing is still on sale. It's still originally $40, but I think now they have it at $24.99. So which it's not bad still. So she is safe to take heat for up to 350 to 400 degrees. I don't see me putting heat on it at all for any reason. But we'll see when we get to that bridge. Y'all know how the stuff be looking good on the stock card, and then that's what I'm scared of. But anyway, this is Brooklyn, up close and personal, in the flesh. So she is fairly long, and since I didn't see any packaging on the stock card or anything like that, I would say she's about a good, what y'all think, 26 inches, 28, 24, I don't know. But she is layered, so it's multiple layers of inches in here. And this is the inside. With the lace. Let me see. You got 2 combs in the front, and you have, of course, the comb in the back with the adjustable straps. So yeah, pretty good construction. I like it. I can see now I'm gonna have to probably pluck that. So I don't know if I want to do it now or when I put it on. Let's see. Let's put it on. Let's put it on Brooklyn and see how this goes. So it's kind of big. It's very big head friendly. So I think what I'm gonna do before I put it on, I'm gonna adjust these straps. I'm gonna clamp the straps together because I like my wigs tight. Right and tight, honey. Right and tight. Got it, finally. So yeah, let's put her on. I already have my cap and everything on. I'm not gonna lay down any glue or anything yet, because if I don't like it, I don't want this damn thing stuck to my head. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in real quick, trim off all of this excess lace, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. So as you can see, I cut off all the lace. There it go. Let's see how this go. Cause sis, if it ain't right, I'm gonna be mad because I gotta go to work after this. So let's see. Yeah, I think it needs to be plucked desperately. Like, I don't know. Why do wig companies do that, y'all? Like, what is the need for all this damn hair at the hairline and the parting? Like, can somebody reach out and tell them stop doing this shit? Like, ew. So I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna pluck it and do whatever I can do to it, and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So this is it. I tried to do like some plucking and pulling from your hairline or in the part. Like I said, I gotta go to work, so it's so dense and so packed with hair at the part. Like, you'll be plucking all day. But yeah, like I plucked a little bit, gave up, and I just ended up going into the part with concealer and some contour powder. So hey, it'll do. But yeah, this is it. It feels soft. Like, it doesn't feel, you know how synthetic hair, this texture is usually like all dry and feels like straw. But this one is actually soft. I like it. I like it. Aside from the part in the hairline, other than that, I like it. The fit is really nice. It fits really, really snug to the head. Not too tight where it's giving you a headache, or that, you know, just that compressed feeling. It's not giving you that. But other than it, it fits so good. It feels so secure. I don't even have it glued down. I didn't put any freeze spray or nothing on it. Like, it feels so good. This is how long it is in the bag. So I'm not sure of the density of it, but it's not very, it doesn't feel thin. You know how like some of those wigs, they're thin, like with low density, and you can see like the wefts and probably a stocking cap up underneath. Not this one. So yeah, I like it. As y'all know, like, I suck at laying baby hair. Like, I need to get on YouTube one day, just sit down, get a damn pen and pad, and take notes and learn on how to lay baby hairs. Like, I just cannot do it. But oh well, I do what I can. So anyway, yeah, so this is it. It's really soft. It's really, really soft. Now, I don't know how long this softness will last by it being synthetic. But yeah, I'm gonna wear it to work. I'll wear it to work and see. I got a feeling softness gonna last. But if it doesn't last, I think you could just hit it with some mousse, like some of that foaming mousse stuff or whatever, setting lotion or whatever, and bring it back to life. But all I did was, yeah, I went into the part with the stuff I told y'all. Then I put a little of this the Nairobi setting lotion. I put that on there, and I just pressed down these sides right here with curling wand. So that is all. That is it. Again, that was Miss Brooklyn from Sensational Empress Lace Wig. And there's your stock card once again. So yeah, ladies, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And before I stop, I think it came out looking like the stock card. You don't get that too often. I mean, her baby hairs are way damn better than mine, child, but we got the same piece of Brooklyn, so that's all that matters. That's all that matters. We're gonna get these baby hairs one day at a time. Thank y'all so much for supporting me. I will do the same for y'all if need be. So let's leave it at that. And until next time, my darlings, see y'all later.